It's like he knows. Oh, look at that. Oh gosh. Look at that calla lily. When the seeds, when the leaves popped up, I was like, what is this? And I thought about it, and I thought about it, and I thought about it. And the more I thought about it, I eventually said, it's a calla lily! And it is. It's so weird because their eyes are on the sides of their face, so they have to turn their head to look at something. I just think that's so funny. Oops. I couldn't figure out why the tree looks so weird. What is that sound? It's a motor, but what does it belong to? Is a squirrel falling out of the tree? Which direction is it even coming from? Because it sounds like it's in the woods, but then it sounds like it's not. Do you have a hard time telling which direction sound comes from? Ooh, I think it is in the woods. That is weird. But what is it? I still have no idea. Is it just like a regular truck? Why would there be a truck in the woods? It's so funny when I hear stories about people who are in the woods who come across other people and they like walk up to them and say stuff, and when I find people in the woods I say humans and run in the other direction. Help, or I have to go see what's happening. Here we go.